Yo, they don't get tired of playing your shit. I know. But yo, let's get to the ladies. The ladies feeling like they left out, for real. Let's go holler at them. Hey. Yeah, you ladies, I see you out there. You been hitting me up, letting me know how much you appreciate what I do. And I want you to know I appreciate you too. For real. Cause without some of y'all, I wouldn't be motivated to do what I do. You know I'm Jew, but I ain't Jew without y'all. Check it. For all the ladies in the place with style and grace, let me buy you a drink. Please no chase. Let's keep the conversation straight like the mix. I'ma show you a new fix. You can get fixated on this Christian material, or you can get this shit like some cereal. All up in the spoon, sip with milk. I'ma drip it with the silk, baby, I don't tilt. I keep it straight up, rock hard, my God. I'm on how you saying, no Lord, he's large, I'm in charge. I'm the boss, that's how you make it. You can see me later on, baby, but don't fake it. I want some pleasure, and I'ma give it to you better than you measure. Understand the weather's gonna be rainy, it might be a storm, but don't be alarmed, cause you in my arms, no harm. Yeah, and I know how you like it. Yeah, baby, and I know how you like it. Ain't no need to be greedy. I'ma give it back like the needy, believe me. You can believe it, this if you want, but I'ma tell you, baby, what your girlfriends want. You's a bad bitch and I admire the way that you look. Them other chicks slang like they shook, cause they know I'm a crook that runs them books. But I don't look for nothing unless it's something worth going out there for. And I seen you from the door, so I have to explore every inch of your body, cause you's a hottie. Baby, and I hope in the room you get naughty. We gon' lock the doors, roll up the shit that I'm gonna have you getting super silly with. Don't forget, we gotta have plenty protection, because there's no affection on this erection for them burnt, stolen feelings. But I'ma show you the willing when I'm killing. And I know that you like it. Yeah, and I know that you like it. You don't understand. I ain't trying to be your man. Now after the night and all that pleasure, I hope you feel good and take these measures and precautions. Take down the number, and when you feeling the feelings, baby, the spell you're under is due. And I'm on with you with that voodoo that make you do what you do so well. You just take you a time, a minute, and think tonight the night that you trying to blank and roll with the tank that can't be stopped. That's when get your blood rushing all the way to the top. How you sweat from all kind of areas, baby, know that I can carry you. Don't wanna marry you, but we can have this fun all the time that you want. Understand, baby, I don't flaunt, and I don't want for wants, cause all I got is what I get. And baby, you ain't got to split. I'm the shit when it comes to pushing them buttons, and I will really need to stop, but I gotta say something. I'm one of the hottest with the flows, and understand this nigga, I got to go. I told you they keep playing this damn song, man. Just let it go. I know, okay?